My name is Drew Neerman, and you're watching Data Unleashed, the video blog series dedicated to helping you get more out of your investment in Salesforce. This video is dedicated to you, the Salesforce admin, or maybe the RevOps lead, or the go-to-market lead, whatever your title may be. You're the one that hears from your senior executives who say, hey, I need this report and I need it now because we need to make some really important business decisions. Hop to it. So you log into Salesforce, you try to run a report on something like who gave to our Christmas campaign last year, but not this year, or who bought a motorcycle and didn't buy a helmet, or what does giving towards a certain campaign look like over the past 7 years on a quarterly basis, or maybe you need to run an audit on what types of records were changed by a certain user to look for bad actors. You jump into Salesforce and try to run those reports, and you realize, I can't. Our data volume is too large, or I can't use a not operator inside of Salesforce, or the time frame that I need to analyze is too long, or I just can't ask the questions of my data that I need to ask. There is a way to do this, and oftentimes for these complex reports to drive global analytics type decision making, it's much easier to just replicate data from Salesforce into a traditional SQL database that you own and host in your own infrastructure behind your own on-prem or cloud firewalls. And here's what makes the difference. When you do this, you get to use your own reporting and analytics tooling to build the queries and throw as much horsepower, analytics horsepower at this database as you need to answer those questions for your executive. So you've got all of the data that you have in Salesforce without the limitations of the Salesforce governor limits and APIs. By virtue of bringing it down to a database, you can get at that data, analyze it, and produce meaningful insights to drive executive decision making. If this is a pain point that you've ever experienced or that you're trying to solve right now, please reach out to me on LinkedIn or drop us a note at capstorm.com. We would love to hear your story, share a few ideas, ask a few questions, and see if we can help you out. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Drew Neerman, and this is Data Unleashed.